I love my brand new bike.
Having a set of custom wheels gives kids like me
And me, the ability to do things we could only dream of before. Schreiner Children is supplying custom-built adaptive bikes and wheelchairs for kids who dream of their first set of wheels.
For us, the bike is one of the most incredible experiences. The very first moment she had success. I think they went about 6 miles that first day. They wanted to try a new road, a new path.
Through Wheels for Love, you can make a kid's dream come true right now.
Because of you, I get the most amazing care anywhere. I can play basketball. Big or small, your gift helps us all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your support has changed our lives.
Help a kid get their first set of wheels.
Go online to lovetotherescue.org.